Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to our channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. As you can see from this array of things, we are going to make a rice dish. We are going to make pilau. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद जैसा देख सकते हैं ये इस बोल में है राइस तो आज हम बनाएंगे पिलाओ पिलाओ में होगा जी चिकन ये है चिकन विंग्स about 1 kg और इसमें होंगे मटर okay so we've got the various spices and ingredients. So in here we have what we call the starting ingredients. पत्ता इसे सब्ज पत्ता कहते हैं जी. Chili leaves, we've got cinnamon, and we've got chili flakes, and over here are the usual spices as per taste. We have fennel seed over here, zira इसे कहते हैं तो haldi, chilies, garam masala and salt, and over here we have crushed chilies, green chilies, that is ginger, and that is garlic cloves. Okay, so to start off with, we are going to cook or get ready what we call the starter spices. So here is our pot. How much oil is going in?
4 to 5 tablespoons.
4
to 5
tablespoons. So quite a lot of oil is needed, and into that, as I say, we will be putting in the bay leaf, the sorry viewers, I keep forgetting. So it's going to be cinnamon, it's going to be cloves, it's going to be black pepper, and it's going to be chili flakes. So it's making a start with the zira, cinnamon.
Cumin seeds,
Yeah.
So, cumin seeds.
Yeah, cumin seeds, bay leaf, the cloves and the black peppers. Okay, so let that blend with the oil for about a minute or so. Okay, we're ready to add the onions now. How many onions are going in? Three small onions or medium onions. Okay, so you get those really brown. Okay, so this is one of the secrets to a good pilau, to cook the onions really well. So as you can see, viewers, the onions have been really nicely done, nice and brown, and into that we're going to add our first ingredient, which is chicken wings. Okay, so we love chicken wings. You can of course have boneless or whatever other variations of chicken you would like. As you can see, the wings are lovely and brown there, and the next thing to do is to add some tomatoes. How many tomatoes do we? 3 tomatoes. Okay, give that a good mixture. So at the same time we're going to add the chilies, we're going to add the ginger, and we will cut some chilies and some cloves into that. Chilies going in, and we're cutting 6 cloves into small pieces there. Okay, let that cook. Okay, we've got the spices going in there as per taste. We had salt, we had chilies, we had turmeric, and we have garam masala. Okay, going to mix that in really well for a few minutes. Okay, can we add the peas to that, please? So we're having a very small quantity, about 100 grams there. So viewers, we put 3 cups like this of rice, so we're going to add 6 cups of water. That's the general rule. whatever measurement you use, then you double that. So I'll say that again. You know, the cup that we are using, we had 3 cups of this cup, and so we're putting in 6 cups of water. So the 6 cups of water have been added. We need to bring this to the boil now, viewers. So as you can see, the water has come to the boil, and in our bowl the rice has been drained, and we are going to add the rice to that. Okay, and give that a good mix. Okay, we're going to give that a good mix, and then we're going to bring it to the boil, and then we will explain the next stage. नाजरीन, जैसा देख सकते हैं हमने चावल डाल दिए और अब इसे बॉयल तक पहुँचाएंगे, तो फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेज होगा जो है जी दम लगाना. So as you can see, viewers, the water has evaporated very nicely, and we're ready for our final stage now, which is known as dum. So you either need a foil, or what we like is a damp cloth. So the cloth goes over the lid, and we're going to place that over the rice. We mustn't forget the garnishing, and put the lid with the cloth on so that it forms a nice seal, and we're going to keep that there for 10 to 12 minutes, and then our pilau should be ready, hopefully. So this is on a low heat. Previously, when we were boiling it, it was on high heat. I should have mentioned that you need to put a weight on there to keep it down. Okay, viewers, we're ready for the big reveal. Oh, look at that. Lovely, lovely chicken wings pilau. So we're going to put that in a plate, and then show you how it looks there. There we have it, viewers, the final product, and as they say, the proof is in the eating. So we're going to ask our master chef, Mrs. A Junior, to give us a taste test. हाँ जी, बताइए जी कैसे बने हैं? हाँ जी, कैसे बने हैं?
बहुत ही जबरदस्त.
Okay, gee. I do hope you're going to try our recipe. So as you can see, this is how we like our rice. With pilau rice, chicken pilau rice, with a little bit of chaat and dal on top. Yummy. Look after yourselves. Look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआ में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz.